In this video, we'll learn about the very useful verb tomar, we'll see its meaning, some expressions with it, and we'll practice our pronunciation. Today we're talking about the very common and useful verb tomar. It can be a bit confusing for learners because it has three different main meanings. It can mean to drink, or to have, or to take. So let's have a look at some examples. The verb tomar is often used as a synonym for the verb beber, which means to drink. O que você vai tomar? Vou tomar uma cerveja. In this context, in English, it's common for people to use the verb to have, as in, what are you going to have? I'm going to have a beer. So a common mistake is for learners to literally translate using the verb ter, which means to have, and say, for example, vou ter uma cerveja. That is wrong. Remember, to have in the context of to drink is either beber or most often tomar. And before we continue, don't worry too much about repeating the phrases now. We'll go back at the end and practice our pronunciation. The verb tomar is also used in tomar café da manhã, which means to have breakfast. Eu adoro tomar café da manhã na cama. We also use the verb tomar to say to take medicine, tomar remédio. Já tomei remédio, mas ainda estou doente. Another common use of the verb tomar is when we want to say to have a shower, tomar banho. Eu tomo banho todos os dias. So tomar banho is to have a shower. If you want to say to have a bath, you need to say tomar banho de banheira. There's also tomar banho de sol, to sunbathe. By the way, if you tell someone to go and have a shower, vai tomar banho. That means go and have a shower. It can also be an insult, depending on how you say it, depending on the intonation. If you say, vai tomar banho, that means go away, get out of here. There's another similar one with the verb tomar, which is, vai tomar no c***. But for that kind of language, you need to check out my podcast, Forbidden Brazilian Portuguese. And the episode that you need to listen to for this expression is episode 2. The last expression with the verb tomar we're going to see today is tomar cuidado, which means to be careful. Toma cuidado para não se queimar. Okay, so let's go back and practice these phrases. If you think I'm going too fast, just hit the pause button. O que você vai tomar? Vou tomar uma cerveja. Eu adoro tomar café da manhã na cama. Já tomei remédio, mas ainda estou doente. Eu tomo banho todos os dias. Toma cuidado para não se queimar. If you'd like to learn more expressions with the verb tomar, you'll find them in the blog post that goes with this video. If you're not watching this video already on my website, the link will be in the description area. And if you'd like to practice, make up a sentence using the verb tomar, write it in the comments and I'll give you my feedback. Muito obrigado, até a próxima, tchau!